right now we have lots of access and our security is too much active. So because of this, we can find the solution of it. But in this, in the back of the days, we were not access.
People follow freedom fighter, but nowadays people follow TikToker or
Oh my God! Yes. Defeat myself, I can win the world. We have lots of opportunity in this world to do so many things because of access of social media. Yes.
In ancestral life.
So guys, do you know that the advantage of new era and new generation is not in their tools, but the advantage of their also mindset exists. And you know that the new generation, there is a too much difference between new generation and old generation. New generation people's mentality also different as well as their mentality. They are really resilient person. They are resilient person and problem solve person. They can do everything. They are more confident to do their job.
In ancestral life, people are very healthier. People was very healthier. But if we talk about nowadays, people not are healthy, suffering from some disease.
Of course.
At the age of 20, 30. But if we talk about our ancestors, they live more than 100 years. And
they used to live
more than
100 years. What about that? Flip. Yes.
In this era, people are so active on the social media. Through the social media, they can connect to anyone, they can talk to anyone, or through the social media, they can share their thought, their ideas. So this is the good thing in new generation.
In ancestral life, people follow their culture. But now the people become modern and they are not following their culture. And also, in ancestral life, people follow freedom fighter, but nowadays people follow TikToker or
Oh my God! Yes. Oh man, what are you doing? Where are you right now? You have to think about that. That we have lots of job opportunity, but in old generation, people were lacking lots of. They were not having good opportunity to doing.
In ancestral life, people did worship. But nowadays people can't get time to do worship.
At this time, we can optimize our time very well because we can Google. In no time, we can search our answer. But in old era, if I want to search something, I have to go in library and search so many books. And so that's why we are wasting our time lots of over there to finding our answer. But at this time, we are just only type on Google and we can find the answer so easy.
Yes. Our ancestor give lots of things. You can imagine, like you can see bulb, and this was given by our ancestor. And nowadays we are using. And the main question is that with the help of ancestor, we are here.
Of course.
So ancestor gives a lots of things for us.
Please.
In this time, women have empowerment, women have equality, women have education, they are getting education, that's why they are not being exploited. But if you are going to see back in the days, so you will find that women were too much exploiting. They were beating by their family laws. They were beaten by their family laws, their husband. They were not getting education and equality rights.
In ancestral life, we have lots of several texts and scripture, which we follow, like Bhagavad Gita and many Quran.
Right.
But nowadays people can't get time to read this. We have, but ancestor our read and also apply it. But nowadays we can't read it.
At this time, people have too much access to find information through the social media. In no time to staying at our home, we can know and everything through the social media, every information. So this is the quality of new generation. And through the social media, through using social media, we can do online shop, and can take online classes as well to stay at our home.
Our ancestor did outside work and also work in their land. But in nowadays, people are using a mobile phone which can create a headache problem and eyesight problem.
Right.
And we can't, nowadays people only amazing how the life was. But our ancestors lived their life.
At this time, we have huge progress in every field. Rather it's belong to hospital, rather it's belong to business line, rather it's belong to educational line. Now we have lots of skill. We can achieve our goal. We can be something. We can show the world that I have so many things. I'm not going to fail myself. I'm not going to defeat myself. I can win the world. We have lots of opportunity in this world to do so many things because of access of social media.
Yes. In ancestral life, our in ancestral life, youngers do worship, do study, but nowadays people are making only girlfriend or bad thing, doing bad thing. And also, if we talk about like our younger, they not do any kind of bad activity,
Not doing anything.
But nowadays we can see they are doing some rape cases. We can see nowadays it is so more.
Debate.
At this time we are.
Debate, come on.
How can you say that like
Nowadays we have cases of rape. Earlier there was no.
No. And everyone is everyone live like a family.
Like sister and brother, right?
Yeah, but nowadays people not care about neighbor.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
How could you say, man? Even though
I
at this
saw,
time,
I can't
let me
see, I-
complete, brother.
Okay, you can
complete.
complete,
Yes, okay.
Okay,
you
brother.
can
So what I'm
complete,
saying,
complete.
I'm saying, please listen. So I'm saying that in old age, in old era, women were also exploiting, raping, that such kind of
being
going on,
raped. Yes,
being
of
raped.
course, of
But
course.
right now we have lots of access, and our security is too much active.
Yes.
So because of this, we can find the solution of it. But in this, in the back of the days, we were not access of that. People were just reducing these kind of things.
course.
You
right.
can go and search it on Google. Like our ancestor, every people look like a everyone, every neighbor is like a family. There was no rape.
But Siwas, many girls were being sold in that era.
Yes, sir.
Right? What
Being
about
sold,
that?
being
No, sir. No, sir. If they every people are educated, believe in God.
God,
they,
yes.
they are afraid from God. Like
Oh,
if I
they were spiritual, of
Yeah,
course.
spiritual
How
and-
could you say that?
if you can do any bad activity, then you think about God. Like if I do, then God.
Yes,
gives
of
some
course.
bad
We
thing.
had fear.
But now generation.
oh man, please listen.
Okay, you can first listen. Let me speak.
Okay.
But now generation cannot get time to.
One husband has 10 babies.
Yeah.
One
And
husband had many wives.
And-
What about that? They are
And
human.
also they have wife and also girlfriend.
Oh my God. Safiqullah, of course. Listen here, right?
Listen, man. Now I'm going to give my
Offensive. It is offensive.
You are like dancing, I think. You are dancing.
Yeah, you should talk politely.
Talk
need to
like
dance.
be
This is-
enthusiastic
this
because
is
you
the-
belong to old era.
this is
I
the
belong
result
to
of-
new era. That's why I'm too much active.
This is the result of.
This is result of
This is
new
the power
generation.
of
Okay,
new
listen
generation.
to him. This is the.
See, this is the reason of new generation.
Oh
I
my
am
God.
old
You
generation.
don't have behavior.
How polite I am.
Yes, because of my
What
sister.
about
There no need to polite. This is Philip talk. This is Philip talk. No,
You are
no need
dancing.
to.
You are dancing
No need
here.
to Philip talk. Here Philip talk, brother. We have to more active.
Okay,
It's
but
like you are losing your confidence.
The point is all about this.
Tell me about air pollution. Like our ancestors have a pollution-free environment.
Of course.
But nowadays also we using lots of vehicles which can damage our glacier and ozone layer.
Oh my God,
What you
oh my
can
God,
say
oh my
about
God.
that?
But in their mind, there were too much pollution. They were not educated.
Oh
They
my
were not
God, what
educated.
is this?
At this time, people are more educated than compared to your era.
And-
People were.
Okay,
People were.
and-
Would you please listen to him?
And
Yes.
today generation cutting the tree and make building and many bird
wait,
what you can say about that?
Yes, he's talking about deforestation nowadays.
And what about bird? Where they live? Birds.
Birds, right?
Where they were living before, right now they are living there.
There was